In this video, I'll be doing a bloom. Coming up. Hi, my name is Susan King, and in this video I'll be showing you how I do a bloom technique using a colored cell activator. Hi, welcome back. I'll show you what colors I have in my paint cupboard today. So I've got mostly Amsterdam. This one is, whoops, it's here. This one is Amsterdam Azo Orange. And I have Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. I also have Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. And I have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. That's the next one. The next one is my cell activator. It is Permanent Red Violet Light by Amsterdam. And it's mixed with Australian Floetrol. So, let's get started. Okay, let's begin by adding the pillow paint. This is probably the long way of adding the paint, but the can is too heavy to pour from, so I'm just using my little spatula. Okay, I'm going to start adding the paint. Starting off with the Amsterdam Azo Orange. First of all, I gotta check to see if there's any air bubbles. Let's do a quick torch, because I just stirred my pillow paint. I see some air bubbles in here, but these paints sat overnight. I don't know why. Let's just add a little bit more of this. Next is the Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. And next is the Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. Next is the, oh, I almost dropped it. The Blue Violet by Amsterdam. All right. Oops, I see a little chunk of something in there. All right, now I'm going to blow it with the hair dryer. Just going to show you a close-up of it before I spin it. All right, I'm ready to spin. Okay, it's already spinning off the table. So what I'm gonna do is just scrape a little bit of this off quickly. Probably added too much paint on now. I'm just wiping the edges so I can grab it and spin it. It's kind of slippery. Well, I like it. I like this part more than this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tilt it a little bit so it moves down. Just not much, just a little bit. I like I do like that. I like the color, but I'm just going to see if I can move this down a bit. It's so pretty. I don't know if it moved at all. Don't think it did. Okay, I'm just going to spin it some more. Wasn't a good one. I like that. I'm not too sure. So I'm just going to spin it again. Beautiful. I think that's just perfect. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I love it. Beautiful. Looks like I did have a couple of little air bubbles, but that's okay. That doesn't look too bad. So I will carefully lift this up so you can see closely. All right, my camera's quite high, so I hope I do this okay. Oops. Close up. Beautiful. This is my first time using a colored cell activator. I've been wanting to try it for ages, but have never got around to it. And I think it's just lovely. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. And as always, I'll show you at the end of the video how it dried. So, stay tuned. Hey there, I'm back with the dried results. Dried really nice. No cracking or anything. Looks really nice. I love how the colored cell activator looks. I love all the colors. Really pretty. I'll bring you down for close-up. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I love all the comments that I'm getting. I really appreciate all the love and support that I get from all my followers. So thank you very much. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. A bloom technique using a colored... God, I'm out of breath already. Oh God, I gotta start over again. In this video, I did it again. Yay. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do in this video, oh, I did it again. Bloom. Blah, blah, blah. Hi. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. So in this video, I'll be showing you how God. Is there a car coming?
It will be.
Low battery. Oh, I had it recording all this time.